Welcome to Nasir Soft. In this video, I'm going to show you what is the lambda function in Python, what it purpose, and why we use the lambda function other than the other function in Python. So first of all, a lambda function is a small function containing a single expression. Lambda function can also act as anonymous function where they don't require any name. They are very helpful when we have to perform a small task with less code. Okay, so just like the loop at a lambda function, in the lambda function we perform the loop operation, okay, and also used when we pass small function to another function. So this is very simple, don't worry. So first of all, the syntax of the lambda is the lambda keyword, and then the bound variable that here you can use as a parameter or arguments, and then it's the function, the body. Okay, then the body of the whatever you want here inside this one. So inside the keyword is lambda. The bound variable can be the arguments and the body expression. So to understand the lambda function, so we here inside our code, I created a data frame. Okay, I create a data frame that is of the employee data. For example, their ID, the employee's name, the age, and the income. After creating the data frame, so I realized that there is a mistake inside the age attribute. We have to write, okay, or add 3 years plus age of the each employer. Okay, so 27 should be 30, 31 should be 34. So by mistakenly we write 3 year less than inside this data. So how we can achieve this task? By applying the lambda. Okay, as I already said that lambda is just like the loop. So I will add the for each individual employee age with the value of 3. So if we compare the lambda function with all regular functions, so for example, with the old function in Python, if we add for each argument x of the value, okay, with the two value, so then we first we define an add function x, and we return for each value x plus 2. Okay, so whatever inside the we can achieve the same task by applying the lambda, but just the keyword of lambda and then the per argument x and then its body plus 2. Okay, it means that inside its body, so you will add 2 with the each the value. So this is the beauty of lambda. So just like this in our code, we will add the 3 inside the age. Okay, so inside the data frame, that is this variable, okay, of in age, and apply the lambda on it. So df dot apply. Okay, apply method will apply the operation on each column wise or row wise. We can specify inside the apply function, so whatever operation you want. As the apply function last argument is axis, so at the last argument here is an axis, and if the axis is 1, so it means that you will apply some method that I write inside this one by row wise. If the axis is 0, it means that by column wise. So we want the row wise. So basically we want to add 3 inside the age of each age, so it is row wise, so therefore inside the axis I write 1. So here after the apply, for the first parameter we apply the lambda, so that is lambda and its argument or parameter, that is x, and inside the body you will apply for each data frame of age, okay, and plus add for the each data frame of age we add the 3. So this is okay. So after that we will add for each row wise age with the 3 value of course. If I again print the data frame with the print method df and click on run, here you can see that it add with this each age. For example, the Nasir age is 27, now is 30, the next one. Okay, so this is a problem, so it in this program, so it only add on the first age. Okay, the problem is here. So basically this is the variable we will use the argument x, so therefore inside the body there will be x. Okay, so for each individual, that one. Now if I again execute, you can find here 30, 34, 33, and this is the 43 and 41. Perfect. So here, this is the beauty of lambda. We can apply the lambda for all the record, just like the loop, with the less line of codes. We can also achieve the same task by here define the df of the frame, that is only age. Okay, and then we remove from here the age as well, and then xx plus 3, and we can also specify this. Already specify now the uh, basically row wise age, so therefore there is no need of x's now here. From here, if we use this one, okay, now if I again execute, then we can achieve the same task by this one. Okay, by this. So hope this video will help you by knowing the basic of the lambda function and how you can use the lambda function in Python. If you have any question, you can email me. Email is mentioned in video description, or you can comment inside the video comment section. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more informative videos. Stay blessed. Have a nice day.